What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to add web pages to a website. First we are going to see how to open an image using this HTML. Let's say I'm going to open this 1.jpg. Let's see the image first. This is the 1.jpg image. I'm going to use this HTML to open this one. Now to open an image, we just have to type img src and whatever the image name is. Here our image name is 1.jpg, so I put it right here, 1.jpg and / and then close this one. Now let's serve this, and when I open, you can see I'm getting actually I served in index. Let me open index, and you can see I am getting the image through the website. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to add this image. When I click this image, a website should open. Now let's add a website for that. Here I'm going to put my website. My website is etexplains.com. So here first thing is to add any website, you put ahref, that is equal to http and etexplains.com. Okay, now here let's serve this one. Let's serve this file, serve, and now I serve this one. When I click it, you can see we are getting a picture, and when I bring the arrow to the picture, you can see the hand sign. It means when I click, it's going to go to the website. When I click, you can see it's going to the website. This is my website, and this is under construction. It's going to be better soon. And that's how we add image to a website. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn XHTML and CSS, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.